Hey guys, I am back with another Notion divider set for you. They're free. I'm just going to show you really quick how to use them, where to find them, and as always you can leave a comment letting me know what you want to see next. And that goes for Notion, GoodNotes, printables, anything like that. Let me know what you want to see. So this set comes with 8 dividers. They come as PNGs. You'll get this whole folder right here, and you can just drag and drop them over so you can make them the full width of your Notion template. Or I've already made columns here, so if you wanted to add one into a column like that, and you can adjust then how big you want them. You could use them on top of, so I just put one there, and just always see where the blue line is going, and that's where your divider is going to end up. They're just simple transparent PNGs. So I will show you. So that's what they look like in dark mode. So most of my Notion dividers work in light mode and dark mode. So again, 8 PNGs, and I'll show you really quick where to grab them. So here is my website, specconaspec.com. And right now, it's the first article. The article just gives a little more information, instructions, if you've never downloaded these before. Sorry. Okay, so you can go over to the product here or read the article. And most of my items have an article and just gives a little bit of instructions here. Otherwise, you can go right into the store, and I'll show you here. If you use the shop tab up here, Notion shop, and it'll show everything that's in my shop. Currently, everything in the shop is free. Templates, some headers, different divider sets, and you just add them to your cart for $0. You just type in 0, add it to your cart, check out, and then you'll get a zip file. So if you're using iMac or a Mac or an iPad, it should unzip it, but if you're using Windows, you might just have to unzip it, and then you will get, sorry, let me turn that off. Okay, so you'll get the PNGs all in one folder. You can just pull it up right next to your Notion and drag and drop them over. So let me go back here, and that goes for all of my dividers. That's how I do it. I just have them here so you can drag and drop them over if you want to use all of them. Just grab all of them from your file folder, drag and drop them over. So let me know what dividers you want to see for Notion next. I can do different colors, any different themes. Go check out my Christmas dividers, Halloween dividers, school dividers, and a few other sets. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks.